In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Jira. To get started, open Jira software in your browser and sign in with your Atlassian account. Once you're inside, you'll be ready to set up the workspace where your team can plan, track, and manage work. If this is your first time using Jira, don't worry. The layout becomes much easier to understand once you start working inside a project. After signing in, go to the Projects option in the top navigation bar. From here, you can either create a new project or open an existing one if you've already been invited to collaborate. If you choose to create a project, Jira will ask you to select a template. Common options include Scrum, Kanban, and task tracking. The template you choose affects how your board is organized, so pick the one that best matches how your team works. Once your project is ready, the next thing to do is create an issue. Click the Create button, then choose the issue type you want, such as a task, story, bug, or epic. After that, enter a clear summary and description so everyone understands the work that needs to be done. If needed, assign the issue to a team member, then click Create to save it. Now that you've added work into Jira, you can start organizing it. Open your project board and move issues through columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done as work moves forward. This makes it easy to see what's pending, what's actively being worked on, and what has already been completed. You can also update issue details, such as due dates, priorities, or labels whenever something changes. To find work quickly, use filters or the search bar. Jira lets you search by project, assignee, status, priority, and more. If there are searches you use often, save them so you can come back to them without repeating the same setup every time. To monitor how things are going, open the board or backlog to review current and upcoming work. You can also use dashboards to view charts and reports that help track overall project status. It's a good habit to regularly review both completed and outstanding issues so nothing gets missed. Jira also makes collaboration easier. You can add comments directly on issues, mention teammates using an @ symbol, followed by their username, and attach files, screenshots, or documents to give extra context. When work is finished, move the issue to the Done column or update its status to Done or Closed, depending on your workflow. And if you want to take things further, you can customize your workspace with dashboards, notifications, automation rules, and board settings to better match your team's process.